Where do you work?
I work at the beach. I'm a lifeguard.
Interesting. That must be a great job.
Sometimes. But if it is hot, it gets really busy.
Oh, yeah? What about in winter?
When winter comes, the beaches are empty, so there's no work.
Yeah, I work at an outdoor cafe, and it's similar.
Because of the weather?
Yes, if it rains, there's not many customers. People don't come when it rains.
Yeah, that makes sense.
What do you want to do in the future?
I'd like to be a chef. I want to have my own restaurant.
What kind of food would you like to cook?
I'd like to cook Greek food.
Oh, if you do that, I want to eat there.
I'd like that. What about you?
I'd like to open a gym. I love working out.
That sounds cool. If you do that, I want to join your gym.
Where would you like to live in the future?
I'd like to live in the country.
Why the countryside? What would you do?
I'd like to have a farm. I want to grow my own food.
That would be fun.
What about you? Where would you like to live?
I want to live by a beach with big waves, so I can surf every day.
I'd like that too. I love surfing.
I have to work tonight.
Really? I don't have to. Today is my day off. When do you start?
At 7, but I have to leave early to beat the traffic.
Yeah, you need to get going.
What about you? What are you doing today?
Nothing exciting. I need to go grocery shopping. And I have to mail a few things.
Sounds like fun stuff.
Yeah, I know. But I have to do it today, or else it won't get done.
Hello, can I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a garden salad and a bowl of tomato soup.
What kind of dressing would you like?
I'd like the Italian dressing.
Would you like anything on the side?
Yes, I'd like a side of garlic bread.
Okay, and would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'd like an iced tea, please.
Do you want sugar in that?
No, but I'd like some lemon.
Okay, would you like that before or with your dinner?
Before, please. And can I get the bread first, too?
Certainly, I'll get that right away. What are you doing over the summer break?
I'm working at a summer camp. This is my 3rd season doing it.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What do you do for your job?
Basic outdoor stuff. I take kids on hikes or go river rafting with them.
I'd love a job like that. How long is the camp?
6 weeks, but you must work every day and you must stay at the camp.
I wouldn't mind that. Are they hiring?
They are, But you have to have a driver's license and be a good swimmer.
I see. Well, I have a driver's license, and I'm actually an excellent swimmer.
Well, then you should apply. But you must do it by April 15th.
Okay, I can do that. How do I apply?
You just have to go to the website and apply online. I'll send you the web address.
Thanks. I'll definitely apply. Do you have to wear a suit for work?
No, but I have to wear slacks and a tie. What about you?
Yes, everyone has to wear a suit. It's mandatory.
What a hassle! How many suits do you have?
Just 2 for now, so I have to be careful with them and not get them dirty.
Why don't you just buy a few more suits?
I want to, but I must save money first.
Yeah, I know the feeling.
What are you doing today?
Nothing. I'm free all day. What about you?
I have to do yard work today. My yard looks like a mess.
Really? What do you have to do?
I have to cut the grass, trim the hedges, and pull the weeds.
Sounds like fun. I love gardening.
Really? I hate it, but I have to do it. My yard looks like a jungle right now.
Would you like me to help? I love working outdoors.
I'd love some help. You don't have to, though.
No, I want to help. It's relaxing. I don't have a yard, so I never get to do it.
Great. Can you come over around 10?
Yes, that works. See you then.
What famous person would you like to meet someday?
I'd like to meet Elon Musk.
What would you ask him?
I'd ask him about his life. I want to know his secret to success.
I'd like to know that too.
What about you? Who would you like to meet?
I'd like to meet Taylor Swift.
What would you ask her?
I don't know. I'd just like to meet her.